Hi, I'm Earletta Allen, and I've been with Peterson Manufacturing for 45 years. To be a part of the PM legacy is an honor. We are a family that not only takes care of our customers with honor, respect, with quality products, but PM takes care of the community. I was a second semester college student when I started, and David Armacost did not believe I was that young. I had hope because I presented myself as a knowledgeable young adult. PM provided me with the chance to finish 2 degrees and send my kids to Christian schools. I always tried to do my best to get the job done, even if it meant I worried those engineers. Thanks to all the team from IT to the setup guys on the floor for helping my department and myself and PM to be a success. It takes us all. We are still on the cutting edge and inventing revolutionary items with the surface mount technology that has taken the emergency industry by storm. PM is a great place to work. If you take a look at our current staff, you need not only see mothers and daughters on the payroll, but aunts and uncles. PM cares about the workforce, offering competitive wages and benefits. PM reaches out to high school graduates that are going on to further their education and provides them with top pay for the summer. Some of these young adults stay with PM to start their careers, and some have gone on to be Missouri representatives, lawyers, nurses, doctors, business owners, and mentors for their own communities. I am so proud to be a PM employee, and I hope I've represented the company and my family with honor and respect. Production Control is the department I currently represent, and we have 121 years of service to date. Thank you.